Welcome to a Hummingbird tour of Restoration Point. This 5-bedroom masterpiece is located on the highest point in Woodland Bluffs. From the moment you enter, you know you've arrived somewhere special. With stunning long-range views from, well, every room in the cabin. Starting in the living area, you'll find a massive and welcoming space. From this vantage point at approximately 800 feet in elevation, you'll enjoy breathtaking panoramic views of the Ouachita National Forest. But the first thing the kids will see is this complimentary s'mores welcome basket. And check out this 48-inch gas range in this beautiful gourmet kitchen. It's fully equipped with 2 dishwashers and everything you need to create your next feast. And you may even volunteer to do the dishes with a view like this. Serve your meal on this amazing table for 12 and enjoy stunning sunset views over your conversation. And there's additional seating for 5 more at the center island. As we tour the rest of the living area, you'll find a cozy seating nook that also has epic views right at the foot of this floating staircase. This spacious living room is filled with plenty of comfortable seating, a sleeper sofa, and views for days. And yes, out back on the west-facing terrace is an original vintage-style pedestal binocular. More on that in a bit when we go outside. Enjoy the warmth from the gas fireplace as you unwind. Or if gaming is more your style, the game room is just next door. It has an additional queen sleeper sofa, regulation-size Brunswick pool table, lots of board games, and even an arcade console with over 400 classic games. Can you beat the high score on Pac-Man? At the end of the hall, opposite the game room, you'll find the South Master Bedroom Suite. This room offers a king-size bed and a private bathroom, complete with a large soaking tub and a massive walk-in shower. And you can enjoy the artwork while you get ready. Right next door, you'll find another identical King Master Bedroom Suite with the same luxurious accommodations, but with a different flair in artwork and decor. Across the hall, you'll find an additional full bathroom with walk-in shower for the convenience of any and all guests. And we can't forget one of the most important rooms in the house, and this one is done right, with 2 sets of washers and dryers and a handy folding table. Around the corner, you'll find the North Master Bedroom Suite. This room offers sweeping northern views of the valley below and the distant hills of the Ouachita National Forest. Of course, this room also has the same luxurious accommodations as the other master suites, including this amazing shower with a view. Now it's time to go back through the living space and take a tour of the upstairs. And here is another look at that stunning view out of the back sliding door. Let's take a walk up these custom-built, one-of-a-kind floating stairs, made from solid slabs of locally harvested oak. The South Bunk Room offers sleeping for up to 8 adults, or even more kids, with 4 queen bunk beds. The views from this upstairs suite are some of the most amazing in all of Broken Bow. It's not a bad place to sit and work, or catch up on some reading. The queen built-in bunks even have a place to plug in phones and tablets. And it wouldn't be a bunk room suite without its own private full bathroom. But what's even more amazing is that Restoration Point has 2 bunk rooms, perfect for splitting up kids by gender or age range. The North Bunk Room also sleeps up to 8 more, with 4 more queen bunks. But this one has something unique, with 3 TVs mounted on the wall, perfect for the gamers in your group. This one also has an additional private full bathroom. Now let's go across the catwalk to one of the most epic balconies you'll ever see. You can't even take a picture from here to show the width of this panoramic view. Sit on the tall but surprisingly comfortable balcony chairs and lose yourself in the sunset or in a conversation. It's the perfect place for morning coffee or perhaps an evening glass of wine. And of course, the sunsets here are picture perfect. The owners of this cabin actually put a lot of their own craftsmanship into every inch of this cabin, including the massive landscape photography prints on the walls, the custom floating staircase, the stone masonry outside and even inside the cabin on the fireplace and the sitting area. They even hand-built the kitchen table base and dining room light fixture. So now let's finish our tour by going outside. Check out this amazing custom grilling station. Not a bad place to grill those steaks to perfection. And what about this relaxing hot tub with a view? From here you can see the mountains behind Broken Bow Lake, as well as the distant towns of Valiant and Idabel from the same vantage point. Not to mention the abundance of high-quality polywood outdoor seating. This massive porch has plenty of room to spread out, relax, or play cornhole. You can even play when it rains on this epic covered space. Last but definitely not least is the 2-level mountaintop terrace. With a view like this, Restoration Point not only got its name, but the owners wanted to create a space where people could make epic memories and be restored. From family gatherings to even small events, every guest will certainly take their share of photos from here. The fire pit has 10 Adirondack chairs and plenty of room for making s'mores, telling tall tales, or sitting under a blanket of unobstructed stars. Finally, the owners wouldn't settle for any compromise on this, so they acquired an original vintage-style pedestal binocular, like you'd see at a national park. After all, Restoration Point is like having your own private park all to yourself. The viewer will give you hours of fun, checking out the distant scenery as well as some up-close and personal visitors. You can focus the viewer to see deer, birds, and other wildlife who also call this area home. We hope you have enjoyed this Hummingbird tour of Restoration Point. But to really enjoy this property, you need to see it for yourself. You can book your stay at bravovacationrentals.com, or you can find Restoration Point on Vrbo and Airbnb. Remember, Restoration Point sleeps up to 26, so it's perfect for staging your next family gathering, corporate retreat, or church outing. For more information on Hummingbird tours or photography, visit jasonwardphoto.com.